Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Open the pixel lab, select the import button, go to the gallery, then select the erase, enable button down, remove the color. Then select another photo, adjust the photo, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button down, adjust the photo. Select the text, edit by writing. Select the size, adjust the size, select the font, adjust the font, select the stroke button, enable button down, adjust the color black, select the shadow option, enable button down, select the emboss button, enable button down, right angle, select the 3D text option, enable button down, adjust the lead, and then reflective number. Select 3D shadow, enable button down, adjust the color green. Then select the texture option, go to the gallery, select another color, adjust the color, and then change the background color. Select the color option, enable button down, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.